Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of a different style than I usually do. These videos are going to be a little bit shorter, not as detailed, but it'll be condensed, so I guess it's good. That way, if you only have a few minutes, you can watch it, but it's going to still be helpful. Hopefully you enjoy the video, and if you like this style, let me know. And if you like videos like these, consider subscribing so be notified the next time we do upload more videos like this. And I'm going to be covering Nokia Stock for April 12th to moving forward kind of stuff. Now, before I continue, quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a professional, and everything I do share with you guys is just my opinion, it is not advice, so please do not buy or sell based off the information I give you or the opinions I do form. Please do your own due diligence and research before buying and selling. In the meantime, welcome to Wealthy Mindset. My name is Oliver. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So if we're looking at the graph, just a FYI by the way, closed at $4.13 on April 9th, last trading day. For the new viewers, double downward trend resistance line dating back since 2000-2001 kept us quite, like the first resistance line kept us down for quite a while, and then we formed an upward trend support line right here, one touch point, second touch point. Was supposed to have the third touch point right here, but instead of bouncing off the third touch point, we bounced off a horizontal support level and doing pretty well, and then came back down, still did not bounce off the support level, and instead of coming down all the way to the upward trend support line right here, what we ended up doing was we formed an upward trend support line in the 1 month chart that I'm going to show right now. So before I show that, and in my opinion, I think what's probably going to happen is at one point we're just going to continue on this upward trend trajectory and head up to the $4.70, $4.60, somewhere around that ballpark. Depends on when we meet it, because the longer we take, basically the lower the high will be. And hopefully there's a chance you could pass it, and hopefully that's the case. And hopefully it's not a false breakout like it was like in the past, right? So that's what you're expecting. Now, if we look at the 1 month chart, we have a downward trend resistance line that dated back since March 15th. Passed it, that's great, awesome stuff. Upward trend support line right here and keeping up with it, so that's great too. And the only problem is the MAC line did come down. It looks like it's trying to bounce off and curve up, if you could see it right here. So in case, I'm thinking there might be a chance it could come down to 406, 407. So it might not come down dramatically, it just might start trickling down. And if it does that, hopefully it doesn't, it takes longer, because the longer it takes, the higher the low will be. But if it does it quickly, then we could, just say if it does it quickly, you could see $4.04. But if it takes its time, I'm anticipating it will take time. It'll be 406, 407, and then bounce back up to the upside. Hopefully that happens. So in the meantime, if it does start trickling down, you had resistance at 413 to 408, but then those levels could act as support. But the main support levels I would say would be the 407, 407 for the moving average, 407 on the upward trend support line. There's horizontal resistance / support at 407, so 407 would act as support as well. And then once you get to the up levels, you'll have turbulence at 413 if you fall under 413. But once you pass it, hopefully you pass 415 to 417 pretty quickly, because the main resistance that you're looking to pass is right about here, these horizontal resistance levels at 422. Now, I think you guys will be passing it in the near future. So within this week, I think 422 will be tested again. Once that passes, the main issue you're going to have, I'm going to read the levels between, but the main issue is 431. So $4.31. So in the meantime, before you get to 431, you'll have issues at 424, 427, $4.29, and then 431. I'll mention the levels after that, but I think that will be a major task on its own for at least this week to then maybe next week, depending on how much this upward trend support line holds. Because it's not a guarantee that this upward trend support line will hold. It could be broken, but at the same time, you have the moving averages to hold you, like the $4.04. There's a moving average here, and if it drops quick, you have the moving average plus the upward trend support line to help you. Plus, you have the moving average here at 406, probably 407 when we get to it, plus the upward trend support line. And if everything breaks, you could rely on this moving average right here at 401, $4.01. All right, so that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, consider dropping a like. It does help the channel a lot, so thank you so much for that. And if you do like videos like this or other stock videos or other financial videos, consider subscribing so be notified when I do upload those videos. Thanks again for the support. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.